3 days ago, someone left this comment. Whenever I draw in ArchiCAD, my 3D appears like a wireframe. If you are facing this same problem, this video is for you. Let's fix this. In wireframe mode, you only see lines. No materials, no surfaces, just edges. If you try to render like this, it will not look correct. Now, look at the top of your screen. Click on View. Go to 3D options. You will see different display styles. Move slowly over the options from wireframe to wide model, simple shading, detailed shading. Let's choose wide model. Click. Now the building looks solid. This mode helps you to study the form. Now let's choose simple shading. Navigate back to View, 3D view options, simple shading. Now you see color and depth. This is actually closer to what you expect. Now navigate back to View, 3D view options, choose detailed shading. You're going to see more material details in this case. This is better before rendering. But here is the fastest way to do all of this. While you are in 3D, right click, go to 3D styles and switch directly from here. This actually saves you more time. If your render still looks wrong, make sure your hardware acceleration is turned on. Without it, shading may not display properly. And to do that, navigate to View, go to 3D view options, and then select hardware acceleration. So you can see your model was not the problem. You were just in the wrong view mode. If you have more ArchiCAD problems, drop them in the comment and I will read them and make videos like this. If you found this video helpful and you want to engage in a one-on-one tutoring with me, you can contact me on +237 670 398 075 on WhatsApp. See you. Bye bye.